According to the Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report 2017 by the World Economic Forum, India has improved 12 places to reach the 40th position globally. Mauritius Tourism Promotion Authority conducted a training workshop.
This is primarily a workshop to educate the travel trade, and we do these events all over the country. I've visited till now 22-23 cities.
Traveltv.news is a real great channel. It gives you very accurate information on destinations, new trends, visas. It's just a 2 or a 2.5 minute video that you see, but very informative and very good for the travel trade. I normally pass the same to all my colleagues in the trade, and it's a great help.
Thomas Cook discusses its technology developments in 2018.
There are two sets of technology development that we have launched in the year 2018 in the last 4 months in specific. One is the customer self-service app. What it does is that from the time that you have booked a holiday, everything that you need to track about that holiday is on the app. The second development that we have done is on the Voyager, which is the more of the customized FIT tool, where today if somebody needs to walk in and book a holiday with us, the front line is empowered to be able to pull that information from the various sources that's available and give an itinerary on the go.
Cygnett Hotels returns to Visakhapatnam with a 40-guest room property, Cygnett Inn Duvvada, Vizag.